girl Kimmy, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be giving you some outfit inspo, showing you all my birthday outfits that I rocked during the weekend. So if you want to see what I am talking about, make sure you stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to the girl's channel. So this is outfit number one. This is what I rocked on, when did I rock this? Friday night. This is what I rocked on Friday night. Had a little dinner with the girls, you know, something cute, something very simple. I've got this maroon burgundy ruffle dress. I love this dress. It's absolutely cute. I love the ruffles. It's a lot shorter, you know, because obviously, like, you know, I'm trying to keep it sexy. I absolutely love the sleeves. Personally, I'm not a big fan of this. I might just cut it off, but I mean, it's an extra design. You don't have to wear jewelry with it. And I just literally rocked a matching handbag because I didn't know what handbag to use, and I kept the shoes nude. So it was a really simple look. It was a comfortable look. I had a blast rocking this look. It was absolutely cute. The second outfit that I have for y'all is probably my favorite. Like this dress right here. This dress right here, y'all, listen. I rocked this on Saturday, like my official birthday. This was the 19th. I wanted to look sexy. I wanted to look beautiful. I just wanted to look edible. That was the goal, you know. But I also wanted to look like a grown-up, you know. I'm old. You know, I could be somebody's wife. So I wanted to give off those type of vibes, you know what I mean? And this dress right here accomplishes exactly that. Oh, y'all do not understand. Y'all do not understand. I love this dress. I love the pattern. I love the color. I love, hello, can y'all? I mean, this dress every girl on Instagram has got, but they normally have it in like a orange, white, peachish color. I saw Michali wore that dress on like her Instagram. Listen, baby girl, you gotta get you one of this. And this is absolutely curvy girl friendly, okay? Like, listen, just get it in the right size because obviously it doesn't stretch. But other than that, boo, this dress is cute. I love this dress. It is absolutely amazing. You can wear it with a bra, you can wear it without a bra. I prefer to wear it with a bra because I want the girl sitting pretty and mighty and, you know, doing the things. But listen, I'm here for it. This is an absolutely pretty dress. This is what I wore. Of course, I'm wearing my favorite shoes. These are the Block Heels. I almost fell though. I almost fell, but this was pretty cool. Listen, I just love this dress. Let me know what your favorite outfit is, but for me, this right here, this is it. I have no complaints. The ruffles are tummy girl friendly. They help, you know, hide your tummy. It cinches in the waist right here. Like, girl, listen, I game out sexy vibes. I love this dress. Okay, so this outfit, this is the outfit I was supposed to wear on Sunday. I never got to wear the outfit because, yo, niggas. But anyway, this outfit is so cute. I love this mini skirt. This is like one of my favorite mini skirts. This mini skirt is from Fashion Nova. This top is a bodysuit. It's from the Fix, and of course I kept on the same shoes as the last outfit. And I always have to have a matching handbag. That's just my thing. I can't help it. So, you know, this mini skirt is very short. I will not lie, but I don't care. So what? Like, I'ma rock it and then what you gonna say? So I love this. And of course, you know, it's gotta be thick girl friendly. So the little design over here, the little flap, y'all know it helps with the belly situation. But honestly, this look is just cute. This look is absolutely cute. I feel sexy, you know what I'm saying? Like, boo boo. You know, just, you know, when you just want to start some ish, you know, pop up looking like this. But this is the last look that I have for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check back to see the next video. We're doing something super fun. We're cleaning out my closet. So I will catch you in the next one. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, and of course like and share the video too. Deuces.